Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Nomi AI Girlfriend. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to your Play Store and click Nomi AI Girlfriend and search Nomi AI Girlfriend. Now click on it and start installing it. Once you have installed the app, you need to open it. After opening the app, you'll need to continue with Apple or Google. Once you have selected an account, you'll need to confirm your email. Once you have confirmed your email, come back to the app and they will ask you a few questions about you, like your name, when were you born, and what is your gender. Fill all of these and press continue. They will ask you about what are you looking for. Press anything like friendship, mentor or romantic. Then you need to select your Nomi AI gender. After selecting the gender, press continue. After you have done all the steps, many AI characters will come and you can have deep conversations with them. You can chat to them, know about their interests and hobbies. Select any Nomi character and click on start chatting. Now you can start chatting with them, ask anything you want and have fun. Pretty much all about how you can use Nomi AI Girlfriend. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.